Hi everyone, I'm Joan Cabarrus and welcome to the Doggo Bake Show. We will sculpt lots of dog breeds with polymer clay using minimal tools and lots of imagination. Come on in! Hi everyone, welcome to my sculpting show. Today's episode will be the second to the last of the Doggo Bake Show. Unfortunately, this show only runs for the whole year of 2021. So if you've missed any of the episode or this is your first time seeing the Doggo Bake Show, I encourage you to watch all the other episodes. Look for the playlist of the Doggo Bake Show back in my channel, and then you will see the consecutive order of the episodes. Today is December 10th. In America, December 10th is a National Salesperson Day. I know, some of you may hate salespersons out there. Sometimes they could be very pushy to convince you to buy their products. But on the other hand, it's hard work. It's really hard to be a salesperson. Try it yourself, and if you can do it, or to convince someone to sculpt. So for today's date, I will thank all the salespersons out there for your hard work. Today's episode is Yorkshire Terrier. He's the naughtiest dog in our neighborhood.
Yorkie! What are you doing here all alone? I just came back from France with a bunch of meats.
Those sausages look tasty, and I'm also very hungry.
Oh, you could take these sausages, Yorkie. I have a lot of extra meat for everybody.
Thank you for these, Bernie.
They are fresh from France.
Bernie, I'm taking some of these to Joanne. I'll let her know that you're back. I'm sure she'll be excited to know.
The Doggo Bake community is magnifique.
We've made a lot of changes here since you left.
Really? I will try to catch up.
A lot of new dogs moved in with us, and Joanne just had her studio treehouse renovated.
Yorkie! Those are yummy looking sausage, Yorkie. Wait a minute. Are those from Bernie? Is Bernie back?
How did you know?
Because Bernie is the only dog who can make those kind of sausages around. I just know when I see it. I remember that Hava told me a couple months ago that Bernie will be coming back here.
Bernie wants you to take some of these.
We will feast. Let me sculpt one dog first before we eat those sausages, okay? Are you okay with that?
Yeah, go, go, go.
Prepare your supplies. Polymer clay, toothpicks, brush and baby oil, and any tool with rounded tip. Doggo Bake Show, Doggo Bake Books, and the Yorkshire Terrier tutorial will be found in the Doggo Bake Book 1. Wow, that was great! As you can see, this dog breed has a lot of color combination. One of the most important features of this kind of dog breed are the ears. They are upright, but then they're also are hairy on the side. Otherwise, that's it for today. Please remember to grab your copies of the Doggo Bake 1, 2, and 3 to learn 60 dog breeds to create. Yep, including the Yorkshire Terrier. Subscribe to my channel, click that bell on the right side so you can follow all the other sculpting videos that I will create and publish in the future. See you again next Friday for the last dog of the Doggo Bake Show.